Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Colombo, Sri Lanka, a tropical paradise where ancient traditions meet modern charm. Experience the vibrant culture from bustling markets to serene temples. In Colombo, discover the rich history from colonial architecture to modern skyscrapers, from spicy curries to fragrant tea. Taste the flavors of this Indian Ocean gem.